Hello, ADA friends. My name is Christine Barber, often referred to as the ADA Lady, and I am here to help you with your digital accessibility efforts. I have over 10 years experience in ADA remediation and training, and I'm here to help you make the world a more accessible place. Please note I am an accessibility expert, but I am not a legal advisor. Please always defer to your lawyer or legal representative for specific questions regarding liability and interpretation of the law. All right, ADA friends, today we are going to look at how to add alt text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. As you can see here, I have my logo, and this is what we will put alt text on. So just taking it from the top, I have my document as a PDF. Going to come here over to the tools on the left-hand side and going to click on Prepare for Accessibility. Now that I have this up, we are going to go ahead and check for accessibility. And I leave everything checked here. Just going to hit Start Checking, and I have my accessibility checker pop up over here on the right-hand side. And we can see that we are missing alt text. And it's this main figure right here. And in order to see your tags, you have to click this over here on the left-hand side in the main accessibility menu, Fix Reading Order. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to pop open this reading order menu. And you can see my settings here. This is how I typically tag things, especially when I'm first starting out. And I default to structure types on the radio button. And I also uncheck display like elements in a single block. I like to see everything individually, and it can be difficult when you have one screen. So I'm going to tuck this up here because if we close this, all of your tags disappear. So I'm going to pop that open one more time. And we can see in this preview, it says figure no alternate text exists. So you just right click anywhere. And the reason why I have this X on here is I check this item, show tables and figures. If you uncheck that, the X's go away. I like to keep them checked so I can see the parameters of how big that image is, because sometimes images have a lot of white space or they may extend across the page, so you're able to grab it and tag it. So now that we can see what that is and we have identified which one is missing, I'm going to right click and select Edit Alternate Text here in that drop down menu. And here is where you add your alternate text. Let me go ahead and add some here. The ADA Lady logo with a woman in a wheelchair moving quickly. There we go. I think that's sufficient. And you can also grow this box by grabbing the lower right-hand corner and expanding it out. If you have a lot of alt text, this is very helpful that you don't have to keep scrolling. I'm going to go ahead and click OK here. And you can see now in the preview that it has the beginning of our alt text there. And that is how you add alt text in Adobe Acrobat Pro.